My name is John Alejandro Restrepo Mesa. I am a student technology in industrial logistics. We will start with the presentation for activity 5, reverse logistics system in my house. According to the activity, the materials to be used will be plastic, glass, and metals. How can we recover these residues? Plastic recover for a new use in the home as basis for plants, containers, decoration, and more. Separation for subsequent transfer to integrated management system. Glass recover for a new use in the home's containers for any utility. Separation for subsequent transfer to integrated management system. And metals recover for a new use in the home as containers, deposits, and more. Separation for subsequent transfer to integrated management system. In these cases, being able to receive an economic benefit, being able to sell this waste products to the processing center. Flow chart for plastic. Beginning reduction from the source waste can be reduced. Yes, weighing of residues, warehouse of containers, and now separation of recycles with container, weighing of residues, moving to the integrated management system, and this is similar to the previous one. Flowchart for glass. Beginning reduction from the source waste can be reduced. And yes, weighing of residues, warehouse of container, and note separation of recycles with container, weighing of residues, moving to the integrated management system, and flowchart for metal. Beginning reduction from the source waste can be reduced. Yes, weighing of residues, warehouse of containers, and not separation of recycles with container, weighing of residues, and additional activity, transfer of recycles to the process center, sale of receipts, and indicators of performance. Volume of receipts generated. They will seek to identify the increase or decrease month by month. Volume of recovered sales revenue, percentage of growth month by month, general and the receipts. Advantage and disadvantage. Advantage contributing to the care of the environment, encouraging household members to generate habits of return to the recurrence. Disadvantage. The difficulty of generating recycling habits in the household members to comply with the established process. Thank you.